My name is First Lieutenant Khalifa. I am from the Unmanned Aerial System Center from Dubai Police. So I am here talking about the drone box solution. Drone box solution was initiated in 2021 and it is a strategic project for 5 years. It is deployed in different places around the city of Dubai. It is used for dispatching drones for major incidents like major car accident, fire incidents, search and rescue, surveillance for different missions. Our response time with this drone is less than 1 minute. Drones are equipped with different AI sensors, face recognition, plate recognition, different cameras, night vision, infrared cameras, and 4K cameras. One drone box can reach to 80 kilometers, and also many of the people were asking us why you are using drones. You are having many different smart Dubai police patrols. We said that we are the eyes in the sky. Since the 80s, from the initiation of the first operations room in Dubai Police, we were receiving calls from women panicking or kids or about seeing a smoke or having a car accident. As a Dubai Police, when we respond to the incident, we find that the accident is minor, and we are sending our forces, which is cost effective for us, and there are many more effective responses or incidents that must be responded to. Our drones are equipped with safety procedures. For example, if there is any malfunction, there is a parachute that will explode in the sky, will make a sound, so that people know that there is a drone descending from above, to avoid any safety casualties or something missing happening.